This video is literally just fast motion of me making this little elf. I had a lot of fun making her. It was a lot of fun anyway. The first thing I did was make the base that she was going to sit on, and I did that by wrapping some tinfoil in polymer clay, and then I attached her legs, and then I baked this portion for 10 minutes so I didn't have to worry about wrecking it. And I stuck a pin down her head so that I would have a hook to be able to hang her from the tree. I also pushed this polymer clay against the corduroy to get like a pattern for the texture of her jacket. After I painted some small details on and I added a little bit of makeup like blush onto her, I clear coated it with spray paint clear, and then it's all done. Let me know what you think of her, and thanks for watching my video.